This is Rosewater. In this video, I'm going to tell you what this Rosewater is all about. Everything you need to know about Rosewater. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's a girl Noye Cynthia. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. I sell skincare products, beauty products that will glow your skin, that will help to rejuvenate your skin. So subscribe for you to get the latest info. This is Rosewater. It is suitable for all skin type, including oily skin, dry skin, combined skin, and sensitive skin. It can be used as a cleanser or face toner. Instead of you using alcoholic cleanser or chemical-based cleanser, you use Rosewater, which helps to brighten out dull complexion due to its hydrating properties. And it has the ability to refresh and tone your skin, maintain skin elasticity, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rosewater moisturizes your skin, make your skin look smooth. This product is a product of United Arab Emirates. It is a very nice product. You can use this product to dilute harsh products that can react to your skin. It can be used either in shower gels or body creams, or any skincare product that is very harsh. You use this Rosewater to dilute that product so that your skin will not get irritated or reacted when using the product. How to use Rosewater? This Rosewater can be used morning and night as a face toner or as a face cleanser. If you're having a sunburned skin, get this Rosewater instead of you using cleanser. Using cleanser will make the sunburn worse, okay? So, but if you get this Rosewater and use to clean your face, it helps to moisturize, it helps to heal because it has a healing properties, it has an hydrating properties, okay? You can also add Rosewater to your bathing water, which helps for purification, and it also helps for moisturizing while having your bath. Okay, so that's all for today's video.